Welcome back to the final part of our video series on how to learn English faster in 2025. If you have already watched Part 1 and Part 2, you now understand the foundation of fast and smart English learning. In this third part, we are going even deeper. We will explore advanced techniques and daily strategies that fluent speakers use. If you are serious about becoming confident in English, this is the video you need. Let us begin now that you know the basic tips to learn English faster. Let's move to the next level. In this part of the video, I will give you some advanced tips, powerful routines, and smart techniques that will take your English skills to the next stage. Tip 11. Use the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a simple but powerful method. You listen to an English speaker and repeat what they say at the same time. Not after. At the same time. This improves your pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking speed. Choose a short video clip or podcast. Play one sentence, and try to copy it with the same speed and tone. Do this every day for just 5 minutes. You will see a big difference in your speaking fluency. Tip 12. Create an English environment at home. Your home should support your learning. Label items in your room with English names. For example, write the word mirror on a sticky note and place it on your mirror. Do the same with table, chair, door, and other objects. This helps you connect English words with real things. Also, keep an English notebook near your bed. Before you sleep, write 1 or 2 sentences about your day in English. This simple habit trains your brain to think and express in English. Tip 13. Use a personal English journal. Writing helps you organize your thoughts. Keep a daily English journal. Write about your plans, goals, feelings, or what you did today. It does not need to be perfect. Just write in simple English. Over time, you will notice your grammar and vocabulary improving naturally. You can also record yourself reading your journal aloud. This improves both writing and speaking at the same time. Tip 14. Learn English through topics you love. Do not only study textbooks. Learn English through the topics that you enjoy. If you love sports, watch English sports commentary. If you enjoy cooking, watch English recipe videos. If you like motivation, listen to English motivational speeches. When you learn what you love, your brain stays interested and learns faster. English becomes fun, not boring. Tip 15. Review and repeat often. Repetition is the key to remembering. If you learn something once and forget it after 2 days, it is useless. Every week, review the words and phrases you learned. Make flashcards or use a vocabulary app. Say the words aloud. Use them in sentences. The more you repeat, the stronger your memory becomes. Tip 16. Join online English speaking challenges. There are many online challenges where you can practice speaking every day. These challenges give you a daily topic. You record yourself speaking about it. This pushes you to speak regularly and overcome fear. It also connects you with other learners. You learn from others, and they learn from you. It builds community and motivation. Tip 17. Focus on listening first, then speaking. If you want to speak well, you must listen well. Good input creates good output. Spend more time listening to natural English. This could be from YouTube, audiobooks, or real conversations. Notice how native speakers form their sentences. Copy their style, tone, and rhythm. Listening deeply helps you speak more naturally. Tip 18. Use visualization for faster vocabulary learning. When you learn a new word, imagine a clear picture of it in your mind. For example, if you learn the word mountain, imagine a big mountain with snow on top. This connects the word with an image, making it easier to remember. You can also draw pictures or use image-based flashcards. The brain remembers visuals much faster than plain text. Tip 19. Set weekly mini goals. Instead of only one big goal, break it into small weekly goals. For example, this week, I will learn 10 new phrases. Or, this week, I will speak for 10 minutes every day. Small goals are easier to complete and give you quick wins. When you complete a mini goal, You feel motivated to keep going. Tip 20. Believe in yourself. This is the most important tip of all. Many learners stop because they do not believe in themselves. They think English is too hard. But the truth is, everyone can learn. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Remind yourself every day, I can do this. I am improving. I will speak English fluently. With time, effort, and belief, you will succeed. Final conclusion. English is not just a language. It is a tool that can change your life. In this video, we shared powerful methods that really work. Now it is your turn to apply them. Choose 2 or 3 tips and start using them today. Create a daily routine. Make learning fun and part of your lifestyle. Stay motivated, stay patient, and keep moving forward. Thank you for watching English Academy. Subscribe for more helpful videos. And remember, the best way to learn English is to enjoy the process. If you are enjoying this video and finding it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, like the video and share it with someone who is learning English just like you. Your support helps us create more helpful content every week.